Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. If you want to learn Quran, then subscribe this channel. Let's start. Our today lesson is lesson number 9, movement practice. We have read up to shuhudun in previous lecture. In this lecture, we will start from udun. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. आप दम्मा को आइन वाव दम्मा ओ दाल डबल दम्मा दुन उदुन उदुन udun. This wow is wow madda because the letter ain has Dammah sign and it becomes before wow. Udun. And we have learned that when wow madda comes, we will stretch it up to the two harakat, two moments, up to 1 second long. قعود stop قعود at stop قعود. Next is واو دمّا وو جيم واو دمّا جو عجو أجو ها دبل دمّا هن وجوه وجوه at stop وجوه وجوه. Next is Hamza Patha Sa Ya Kasra Si Asi Asi Mim double Kasra Min Asimin Asimin Asimin. While stop Asim Asim Asim. Next is Hamza Patha Lam Ya Kasra Li Ali Ali Mim double Kasra Min Ali Min Ali Min. While stop Alim. Next is Ba Patha Ba Swad Ya Kasra Swi Baswi Baswi Ra double Fatha Run Baswiran Baswiran Baswiran. While stop Baswira Baswira. Next is Ha Patha Ha Ba Ya Kasra Bi Khabi Khabi Ra double Fatha Run Khabiran Khabiran. While stop Khabira Khabira Khabira. Next is Mim Damma Mu Ha Ya Kasra Hi Mohi Mohi Ta double Damma Tun Mohitun Mohitun Mohitun. While stop Mohit Mohit. Next is Nun Pathana Ain Ya Kasra I Na'i Na'i Mim double Kasra Min Na'imin Na'imin. While stop Na'im Na'im. Next is Ya Pathaya Tha Ya Kasra Thi Yati Yati Mim double Patha Man Yatiman Yatiman Yatiman. While stop Yatima Yatima. Next is Ya Fathaya Ya Pathaya Sin Ya Kasra Si Yasi Yasi Ra double Pathoron Yasiran Yasiran. While stop Yasira Yasira. Next is Ra Dammah Ru, Waw Ya Fatha Wai, Rowai, Rowai, Dal double Fatha Dan, Rowaidan, Rowaidan, Rowaidan. While stop, Rowaida, Rowaida. This Ya is Ya Leen because the Waw has Fatha sign. Next is Qab Dammaku, Ra Ya Fatha Rai, Orai, Orai, Shin double Kasra Shin, Orai Shin, Orai Shin. While stop, Oraish, Oraish, Oraish. Alhamdulillah, we have read up to Oraishin. We will read the next line, inshallah, in the next period, in the next lecture. Try it and study it, practice it. This is very helpful for you while reading Quran, inshallah. And very soon we will start Quran after completing the Qaida lessons. Qaida are rules. Here we will read some rules, and next while reading Quran we will read there, inshallah. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.